Hello my dear friends and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this lecture series, we'll be studying how to assign the properties for the members. If you have not watched my previous lectures, I recommend you to watch the previous lectures in which we have already learned how to create the nodes, the members and to assign the supports for the members. So coming to this in the STaadPro CONNECT Edition, as I have already created the model as per my previous videos, and select the properties in this. If you want to add a property for a structure, there are several various methods. I'll show you how to do that. You can either go to properties and then click as define. For the for an RCC or a concrete member, you can give the YZ is a depth of the beam or column, and ZD is the width of the column. You can give as 0.23 or the width or 0.45 as per the orientation, or maybe 0.45 or 0.23 depending on the column or the beam. And then you can specify the material. For a concrete member, it should be a concrete, then add and then close. Okay, we can see here the concrete member has been added. Okay, and then if you want to add for a steel member, go to define and then tapered one. For example, I am adding a steel column, and then the depth of which is 500 meters, and then in this adding the both the top and bottom flanges thickness, it comes around 5. If the 12 mm thick, if you are using a 12 mm thick of flange, then 5 to 4. Then thickness of the web will be keeping as 0.005, that is 5 mm, and then 5 to 4. Again, width of the top and bottom flange will be 200 mm, that is 0.2. Then thickness of the top and bottom flange will be 0.012. Again, bottom flange 0.2 and then 0.012. Then add, then close. We can assign to the columns as you can see here. Okay, it shows the taper, and then a member has been assigned. Like R3 is shown because the property number 3 has been assigned to these columns. And then we have the rafters. For the rafters, we have to assign the steel. We can either, there are several methods. I'll show you. Like one is you can select it either from the database. Go to database, then we can select from the Indian roll sections, or we can select the tapered, and again the same thing is come 0.312, 0.004, 0.312, 0.215, and 0.006, and 0.15, and 0.006. For this we have I have taken this for the rafter member. Add, and then we can assign for this. Actually the rafters are to be split, but I have not split as of now. I'm just focusing on to assign the properties. The properties has been assigned. Now we can see column orientation all are also be to checked as per your design. I just want to see it in the 3D render view, and then click as 3D rendered view. We can see our columns, like here it has been assigned as a steel member, and the rafters are also as per the properties that have been assigned. Now we can delete the unwanted unused properties. Click on this rectangular because I have not used it anywhere, and then delete. Okay, with this video we come to know that how to assign the properties for any structure. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.